Alright, I got another video for you guys. This is the Logitech G Cloud gaming console. This is the new console that come out that they're allowing to use for the Xbox. Basically, this device comes with, this is good for cloud gaming and also other things. It basically connects to Wi-Fi. It's like basically a mobile device. It's like a portable console. So basically, it comes with this. It says keep playing here on the top. Okay, then we have the box here. It has the power USB-C adapter, and the USB-C plugs into here and then into the bottom of the console, and that's it. And then it comes with also paper, disclaimer, and a sticker, Logitech sticker, and that's about it. That's all it comes with. Alright, put all this to the side. So now, this is the Logitech G Cloud. Basically, this is the D-pad here. So go back. This is a stick here. This is the right stick here. This is the home button. Okay. And this is A, B. Okay. And then at the top, we have the volume control, up, down. Then we have the power on. And then we have also right here, the bumpers. Right and left bumpers, triggers. They have like little grooves on them, so you can hold them. Then in the back, this is what it looks like. It says G Cloud in the back. It has a groove here where you can grab. And then here on the bottom, you can plug in headphones here on the bottom. And then right here is the USB-C port where you can plug in to charge it. And basically has volume control. All the volume speakers are right here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is power the device on. I'm gonna hold this to the side. Now it's powering on. This is how it powers on and boots on. This is a great device. I've been using it for about 2-3 weeks. You can use it to play your games, especially like say if you have like a family and family's sleeping. So let me enter my passcode real quick. Alright, so now we're logged in. Okay, you have to enter your passcode. So we have the cloud with the Google Play Store. Okay, then we have xCloud Gaming Beta, contacts, YouTube. There has been an update since this device has come out. And that update has definitely helped it a lot. GeForce Now, we have Chrome where we can go on the internet. We also have YouTube, we can go on YouTube to check out videos. Then we have the all apps button. Then we have the account button, messages on the top, our album, settings, and then we have sleep too. You can put the device to sleep. So I know you guys wanted to see, not really the Google Play, you guys wanted to see the G Cloud Gaming. So basically right now I'm going to log in. It does run off of your internet, so as fast as your internet is, as fast as it would load. As you can see, it loaded pretty quickly. Okay, so it's just loading up. Okay, so now it's showing me the cloud games that are here. So basically I'm going to log into Plague Requiem. It's loading with cloud gaming. So now it's loading up. It'll take me into the game right now. It's loading up. Just give it a second. Now it says Xbox on the screen because it's loaded up. Let me turn up the volume for you guys so you guys can hear a little. Okay, everything's loading up. Game is starting. Okay, I'm gonna hit A to go into the game. So basically, I'm gonna go to a level that I was already on. It's really loud, the device is really loud. So I'm gonna hit A. This is what it looks like. The screen does do up to 1080p. it's this is crazy. Like what it's able to do, like technology now. Everybody's been looking for something to play the Xbox games on, and this is it right here. Integration with cloud, beta, and NVIDIA GeForce now with access to cloud gaming and Google App Play Store. So we can play Google App Play games on here. You can use remote play, so you can basically connect this to your Xbox and basically play games through your Xbox that it doesn't regularly stream through it. It's actually, the screen is 7 inches. It's a 1080p with 660 refresh rate and 16:9 gaming, and basically has a 12-hour battery life. This thing is super light, super light, so you can definitely play for a long period of time. Controls are great. Like, the stick feels good. I'm gonna show you what the stick looks like, how it moves. It's really good. Like, I like the console. It's great. And especially with the new update, it's definitely made it move a lot smoother. So basically what I'm going to do is press back. Shows you a game. Shows you your gamer tag and your friends list. So I'm going to press back to get out of this. Okay. So now they have contacts. And we have YouTube. So I'm going to click on YouTube. Cancel out the game. Alright, I'm not gonna. This is what it looks like on YouTube when you click on the video or whatever, it loads the other way. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's gonna flip, screen will flip once you start playing the video. Also, we're gonna go to Chrome. It's the web browser. I'm gonna close that out so you can browse the internet. Press A for YouTube on the internet. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It moves pretty quickly. Okay, so I'm back out of that. And click on all apps. So it's Chrome, YouTube, xCloud, Contacts, GeForce, Files, Google, YouTube, Music, Google TV, Steam Link. Okay, that's if I had a Steam account. Duo, Maps, Messaging. I've never clicked on Steam Link. Let me click on Steam Link and see what it says. I don't have a Steam account, so. Okay, so you can definitely do Steam on here. I don't know anything about that right now at the time. I haven't used that. Alright, so basically I'm going to go to settings. Okay, this is internet. Then we have Bluetooth, airplane mode, display mode, where you can change the brightness and everything. Theme and wallpaper, you can change that. Sound. Then we have the battery life. Okay, language. Shows the time and language. The controller, to remap the buttons so you can change the buttons over to what you would like. Accessibility, and then system updates. This is system and device information, and then more settings, which would be like Android settings. You add your Gmail and all other stuff that would show on your Gmail phone, your Android phone. Alright, so basically this is the Logitech G Cloud Gaming console. If you guys have any questions, feel free to add them with the like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.